Today's courtroom clip is pure gold. A no-nonsense judge going head-to-head with a full-blown sovereign citizen disaster. This legal expert strolls in waving the classic crumpled piece of paper. You know, the so-called magic script they all think will somehow break the system and set them free. Spoiler, it didn't. Honestly, it looked like she could barely read the thing herself. The judge stayed unbelievably patient, way more than most people would have. Calm, cool, and completely unimpressed. Meanwhile, this sovereign citizen kept digging herself deeper into chaos. Seriously, is this the dumbest courtroom defense you've ever seen? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is honestly wild. She's standing there, making a complete fool of herself, and it's weirdly entertaining to watch. Got to hand it to the judge, though, staying totally calm, letting this sovereign citizen nonsense crash and burn on its own. It's always the same. They walk in thinking they've unlocked some secret legal cheat code, like saying, "I do not consent," will magically erase the charges. Spoiler, that's not how jurisdiction works, and courts have shut this down 1,000 times. What's surprising is that she's at least polite, calling the judge your honor and everything, but so hopelessly lost, clinging to that crumpled script like it's a golden ticket. I mean, seriously, how deep in the rabbit hole do you have to be to stand in a real courtroom and actually say this stuff with a straight face? And what was even the plan here? She seems nervous but convinced this would work. Wild. Anyway, this legal train wreck's just getting started. Let's roll on. Yeah, that was painful to watch. But wait, the circus isn't over yet. Believe it or not, this sovereign citizen actually comes back for round two. And yep, I've got that hearing lined up too. Honestly, at this point the judge deserves a trophy just for patience, because trying to reason with a sovereign citizen is like arguing with a brick wall, except the wall thinks it's an expert in constitutional law. Credit where it's due though. This judge is staying cool, sharp when needed, but surprisingly patient through all the nonsense. She's handling this legal disaster way better than most would have. What do you guys think of the judge so far? Personally, I think she's nailing it. Anyway, let's jump into the next round and see if this train wreck can somehow get even worse. Let's roll. I swear, I knew exactly what she was about to say. These sovereign citizens have officially taken over my brain. Breaking down this nonsense every day is costing me actual brain cells. Seriously, they're just so clueless, so stubborn, it's painful to watch. And yeah, maybe a few of them have real mental struggles, but let's be real, they're also wasting court time, public resources, and law enforcement energy chasing these ridiculous arguments. It's a problem. You know what's wild? I'm shocked she didn't bring her little crumpled sovereign script this time, the one she clung to in the first hearing. Maybe sitting in county gave her time to memorize it. But either way, if she's about to try and represent herself here, she's staring down 8 to 10 years. Let's jump back in and see if she really thinks she can talk her way out, because this is not going to end well. Honestly, I think this judge handled the whole thing like a total pro. Easily a 10 out of 10. Tell me if I'm wrong, but she really gave the sovereign citizen every possible chance before finally kicking her out of the courtroom. The patience she showed was unreal. I would have lost it in the first 10 minutes, but this judge kept it cool and calm all the way through. But man, it's kind of sad too, watching someone crash and burn this hard. You could tell the judge wanted to give her room to explain. But let's be real, we all knew exactly how this would end. And hey, sorry if any of you lost brain cells sitting through this. I feel you. These sovereign citizens trying to outsmart the law is pure cringe and pure comedy at the same time. It's like watching someone trapped in a corner trying to dance their way out with no rhythm. You can literally see the gears turning as they struggle to cook up some BS answer to every question, and fail. But what do you guys think? How did the judge handle this circus? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe. I post these courtroom meltdowns every single day. Thanks for watching, legends. See you in the next one.